Hi, my name is Dan, and this video supports my online sushi course on Udemy.com, and you can learn more about the video lectures in the link below. In this video, I'm going to show you my technique for filleting fish using a Western style knife. It's a method that I think is more efficient than how most people fillet with this type of blade. And in my opinion, this technique also minimizes handling and reduces gapping in the meat, which is something you want to avoid, especially if you're going to be making sushi. And for those of you guys that fish every week and fillet your own fish, this type of filleting should be much easier for you to pick up. So I hope you guys give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And make sure to watch till the end because you'll get to see how the fillets are broken down for sashimi. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is actually a preview of my course on Udemy. If you want to learn more on how to make sushi at home, please check out the link in the box. There are over 40 video lectures that cover many of the basics, such as learning how to cut vegetables, making sushi rice, how to make different types of sushi rolls, and learning how to cut fish for nigiri and sashimi. And by the way, my buddy Elias and I made some sheepshead sushi last year in my home. If you want to see more of that, he's got the full video on his channel, and I'll also put the link down below. Elias does a lot of fishing up and down the East Coast, and he really knows how to fish. So check out his channel if you want to learn more.
Too strong or mild or...
Good fish, Baker. He's got one out in the channel right here. Pop two boat.
There we go. This is a bigger one too.
Top net. Get mine out there.
Nice. About the same as yours.
Like it.
Give me some bigger ones.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
It's okay.
Trying to get him.
It's alright. Got some pretty good footage here.
Nice fish, guys. Do you want to dump that ice out or leave it like that?
Yeah.
You want it out.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Out of his mouth. Tom's never. You gotta get him completely open. Like, take a. Actually,
Look at that.
take a pair of needle nose.
Those teeth.
No, but look at the top. I want you to see the roof of his mouth. Pull all the way towards me, Dan. Nope. Crank him down. Open that jaw up. There we go.
All that.
But
You
see,
can
he's
see
got
it?
teeth all the way at the back of his throat, basically.
Holy cow.
There you go.